Hey guys, and welcome to the 9th day of the 40 days of pores. This is yesterday's result. As you can see, the silicone kind of came to the top, and that's totally fine. I'll just keep wiping it off. It'll just be a while before I can varnish it. I'll have to wipe it off with some alcohol first. And today we are going to be doing a swipe technique, and I love this because swiping is like the best way to get cells other than like flip cups. So I wanted to do like a half and half, so half white, half black, with cool colors on one side and warm colors on the other. So I'm going to get started by putting the background down. Okay, now that I've got my base layer down, I am going to just drop some colors randomly throughout each side. Alright, and then I'm going to lay another line of black down to swipe over it. And all the colors have silicone in them, but the black and white do not. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this damp paper towel that I have, and I'm going to lay it as evenly as I can across there. And pull it down. I can find my torch. That's usually when the magic happens. And if you don't like it at first, you can totally go re-swipe. I'm gonna lay down a little more black though, just to make sure. I definitely did not mean to have the white side come over, but it did. And I didn't put a ton of silicone in there because I wanted to see if maybe I use less, I would get bigger cells or smaller cells. So now I'm kind of interested to see. So I'm going to go ahead and add a few more drops to my warm side to see if those will actually give me bigger cells, since I just added only one drop to each of these. So I'm just going to do like I did on that side. Alright. And I will get some white down. Alright, so definitely more cells on this side, at least initially. Alright, I think I'm just going to give it some time, keep hitting it with the heat gun and see if maybe I can get some more cells out of this. Or not the heat gun, the torch. I actually do have a heat gun. Okay, it doesn't look like the heat gun is making much difference, but it looks like over time they're kind of coming out on their own. So I'm gonna wait a little bit before I do a close-up with you. Either way, I really like how this turned out. I like the contrast of both sides. So I will show you guys a close-up in just a couple minutes. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes and I don't think any more cells are gonna pop up, but I am in love with the cells that have. I love this so much. I was not expecting any of the white to come over on the black or any of the black to come over onto the white, and I'm absolutely in love with the fact that it did. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this, and I will show you guys the dried result tomorrow.